Hello and welcome to today's video. Today we're looking at this 2017 on a 67 reg Seat Alhambra. This is the Excellence trim. A fantastic bit of trim because you do have these electronically operated sliding rear doors. Fantastic for your rear occupants and so on and so forth. But works with the remote key. There is a button inside by the centre console in the front, and also a button there for your rear occupants, just up the side here. And also the last way to open and close would be for the door handles actually on the door, one in here and one which should be there. Now every option to open and close this door works other than the external door handle itself. So I'm just having a little play with it at the moment to see if we can find what the issue is. Just inside, can I get the camera to focus? That'd be wonderful. Just inside here, you'll see where it should hook onto. I pull that. Let's get the camera back around this side for you. There we go. I do hook onto this. If we can do that nicely, that'd be nice. There we go. So I'm hooking on there nicely, and unfortunately it's not working. So now we're going to investigate a little bit further and find out what the issue is. Okay, so a couple of days later I'm back with the vehicle. We have diagnosed that there is actual fact a micro switch in here. So yeah, taking the door card off and whatnot, relatively easy. I have to split it into two. This is the old one. So you've got this part here which attaches to this. There's a little micro switch in there. This little switch here is not working properly. So I've ordered the new parts, around about £50, brand new, there or thereabouts, plus the old dreaded VAT of course. I'm going to fit that back in and then we'll test it, see how we go. Okay, so what we've got now is it fitted in there. You'll see that little micro switch. Just push that back. There you go. It was definitely that. So now I'm going to put it all back together properly. The external door handle on. This was the original fault. Wasn't working at all. Now it works. Just going to put all of the internal bits on now. It's just a couple of wires there, a couple of wires in the door card to fit back on. So there you have it, folks. How to fix your door handle if it's not working on the external handle function. Should replace the micro switch. I hope this has helped and it cures your fault. Good luck, guys. Bye for now.